It's time for Sagan's Book of the Day.
Next on Sagan and Loki. Let's take a peek.
Ooh.
Kids,
you can do it! Hey, Sagan, what is your book of the day? This looks interesting.
Ninja-rella.
Ninja-rella. What does that mean? It says far out fairy tales.
It's basically just Cinderella, but as a ninja.
Cinderella is a ninja. How does that work? What did you like about it? Wait, you know what? Say who wrote it, and then say what you liked about it.
Story Comeau, illustrated by Omar Laws.
Okay.
Omar Laws. Make that last.
So what did you like about it? Why was this better, you think, than regular Cinderella? What happened? Reading break?
Yeah.
I always like to read the
I want to do the characters. I want to tell them the characters.
Okay, do that.
There's Ninja-rella, Fairy God Ninja, the Prince, and Evil Stepmother and Stepsisters.
Okay, of course, because Cinderella had those two.
I want to read the book.
Okay, reading break.
Yes. I'll read the book.
Can I get down while you're reading it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to have a snack.
I'm just gonna read. Say it out loud, Loki.
No, you could just read it to yourself because we'll cut this part out if you want to read it again.
Okay.
And then,
Reading break.
Yep.
Cinderella's stepmother and two stepsisters feel like dirt. Each and every day they force her to clean their clothes, take clothes, their meals, but each night in secret and in shadow, Cinderella trained to be a ninja. More amazing, Cinderella yearns. It says yearns to become the prince's bodyguard, but how can she prove her worth when her stepmother won't let her leave the house?
Okay, so this is not about her finding her Prince Charming to marry, right?
Yeah.
And live in a castle happily ever after. She wants to be the prince's bodyguard. That's how it's different.
Yeah.
That was a good idea reading the back. That's a good way to sum it up if you don't know how to explain it.
There are also three other things that sings.
Three other things.
See. Instead of wanting to, wait, that was the one you know.
Oh, okay.
The fairy godmother of old is replaced by fairy god ninja, of course.
Of course, because, yeah, ninja skills.
Instead of glass slippers, Ninja-rella gets a special glass katana sword.
Nice!
And in place of beautiful gown, Ninja-rella is given a sweet ninja outfit.
I like this book. I like it. And you like it too. So why don't we do the star ratings?
And this is usual questions.
Oh, okay.
Describe Ninja-rella's appearance in this panel on page 7. How does he feel? How can you tell? If you need help, compare this panel to the final panel on page 6.
Oh, so there's questions. There's even stuff to do that's almost school-like.
2. Why are lines extending outward from a fairy god ninja? Why do you think the creators did this? Explain your answer.
This is interesting that they have those school stuff.
3. In your own words, describe the path that Ninja travels in this panel. How can a prince tell that Ninja... 4. How can the prince tell that Ninja-rella stepsisters are the last words owners? Explain your answer. I know that. I know.
Of course, you read this a couple of times.
Instead of the glass slippers too small or too big, it
was better, the same or worse than you expected.
Better.
Okay. Did you want to finish it once you started? Well, yeah, a couple of times.
Yeah, I like this.
Yeah. Is this your kind of book? Or would someone else like it better? Another reading break? Your kind of book, or would someone else like it better?
It's my kind of book. Yeah, my kind of book.
Okay. Let's see. The 4 stars. Do you want to look for other books by this author or illustrator or with these characters?
By with the character. Actually,
Are there any other books by like this?
the other books like this, because there are other ones. There's
Oh, nice.
Snow White, and 7 Robots,
Oh,
Red Riding Hood Superhero, and Super Billy Goat's Gruff.
This sounds great. We should order those. Yeah? We should order those. We should
Yeah.
totally order those. Okay.
This is totally
When you're done with the Guardians.
the ones we have are Ninja-rella.
Okay. Oh, the 5th star. Did it inspire you? In some
Not
way?
really.
Didn't inspire you? Didn't make you think or get you excited?
No.
No?
No.
That's a surprise. I thought you were thinking about this one. That's why you wanted to read it. It didn't make you think any differently about how fairy tales could be told?
Actually, it did.
See, that's what I thought, because we've discussed this before. I think you just forgot before we got to the show. It's been kind of sitting there for a couple of weeks. We're feeling them. Anyway, so 5 stars for Ninja-rella.
Time for stuff to read. Kids, you can do it!
Hi guys, it's Loki. Thanks for all your likes and comments and shares. Did you know we make safe, family-friendly playlists on a variety of subjects from other trusted channels too? No pranks, no gross-outs, and no bad behavior. Check one of them out here, or follow us on Twitter to get regular updates. See you again soon!